Hello guys, this video is meant for Hamster Newbie in case you want to join Hamster Kombat on Telegram. So these are to go about it. So you click on the link sent to you. So these are one of my mining groups. So you click on the link sent to you. So you it's going to redirect you to Telegram. So it shows you something like this. You click on start. When you see start, it loads like this. This video is for newbie how to join or register on Hamster. So these are the options. You keep sliding, keep clicking this arrow. Then you click on play. Okay, receive a gift 5,000. Click on it. Wow, thank you, thank you, thank you. Become a CEO. Yes, of course I want to become a CEO. I want to become my own boss. Level up, one tap, close. Okay, close. So right here I have 1,005. So I need to tap. So it is that simple. It is this simple. So in case you want to check out the other functions below, how you can get more coin, more by performing tasks and doing other things, you can check my other videos. The videos have been made. So if you're a newbie, you can check them out. So you see it, Hamster Kombat. So in case you cannot find the link again and it's hard for you, just simply search for it, Hamster Kombat. Click on play, starts, then it comes back. So it is that simple to register. And like I said, if you want to know the functions of everything, you can see below you on this video, both at the top and the down, so you can check my other videos. I've made a tutorial about all of them. So just to increase, to get more coins by the day. All right, so see you guys on my next video, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also invite your friends also to join you. See you guys.